Insecurity can be a powerful emotion when it comes to jealousy and attention-seeking behavior. If you want to make someone feel insecure about others, the key is to subtly highlight their fears of loss and create doubt about their position in your life. Here's how to make someone feel insecure without being overtly manipulative. Step 1. Subtly mention other people. One of the easiest ways to spark insecurity is to mention other people, especially those who might be interested in you. Be careful to keep it casual so it doesn't appear that you're intentionally trying to make them jealous. For instance, talk about how someone else complimented you or how much fun you had with someone else. You don't have to do this all the time, but occasional references to other people can trigger feelings of competition. Step 2. Be mysterious. Create a sense of emotional unavailability by being slightly distant or unpredictable. When someone isn't sure where they stand with you, they'll start to feel insecure and question their place in your life. Avoid being overly transparent about your intentions or your feelings, and keep a certain level of mystery. This uncertainty will create a fear of loss, as they won't be able to fully secure your attention. Step 3. Give them attention, then pull back. When you give someone attention and then suddenly withdraw it, they are forced to seek your approval. By pulling back after you've shown interest, you create the feeling that they need to work harder for your attention and that they might lose it if they don't step up. This psychological game of give and take will make them feel insecure about their place in your life and amplify their desire for your validation. By subtly mentioning other people, being mysterious, and giving then pulling back attention, you can make someone feel insecure about others and cling to you more. Stay happy until we meet again. Subscribe for more helpful tips.